My name's Stephen Armstrong. I'm the head of operations here at Viscose Closures, where we produce tamper-proof seals for food, drink and pharmaceutical markets. We've got two different arms of the business. We've got a plastic side, which is shrinkable packaging, and then we've got a cellulose side of the business, which is sustainable product that can pop into food waste bins, which just decomposes itself. So it's very good for the environment as well. We were looking into renewable energy on site here due to the rising cost of energy. We've got quite a power-hungry site here. We've got some very big pieces of equipment that drag a lot of electricity in, so not just from the sustainability side, it's also from the cost-saving exercise that we needed to do on site. So we got in touch with 5 or 6 different companies, EV Wales being probably one of the most attractive companies. That the package they offered us, and the fact that we're in Wales, we wanted to keep everything in Wales from being a Welsh company ourselves. Originally, we had the opportunity to install a 300 kilowatt system with the capacity of our roof space. So we decided that we would do that over 3 phases. Initially have a 100 kilowatt system fitted and see what results that gives us and see the cost savings from that, which have been exceptional. So the further drive is to then take another 2 phases further to take us to the capacity of the 300 kilowatt system. Since installing the system, which has been 2.5 months, we've had a £9,000 saving on our electricity usage. So it's been very beneficial. The hardware that was supplied with the EV Wales package, in particular the solar edge, it lets us to analyse and gives us much sort of data that comes off the roof, so we can actually see real time what's being produced, what's being used. And each one of those panels has its own detector to give us new information from that. It gives us additional benefits from having renewable energies. The cellulose being a sustainable project, it helps us with our green credentials that allows us to promote a greener, more friendly environment. It's also sort of hand in hand with our accreditations that we have for our ISO and the BRC accreditations. Going into something that we didn't really know enough about, it was almost, this is what we want to do, this is your project. They provided all the know-how as to all the different tweaks that we didn't really know about. So, just the drive for us to keep into renewable energies. EV Wales are the ones that supported us in that. So, obviously, we've been in touch with EV Wales on a number of occasions since the system's been installed, with more queries of how do we get bigger. We've noticed that there is a lot of energy that we are feeding back to the grid that is more beneficial for us to use. So the next process for us is to start installing some batteries to support that system, give us even more further savings.